we are looking at how to pronounce these words, one against the other. Their pronunciations might seem rather similar, but of course their meanings are very different. One is a number, the other is, well, you know what it is, it's better than a number. So how do you go about pronouncing them? The one on the top is to be said as sex, an sound, sex, sex. The one on the bottom, the number that comes after 5, is to be said as sex, sex. Just a slight difference in the pronunciation. Sex versus sex. Did you get it? Are you able to pronounce them differently? Do you understand the difference in the meaning? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there to learn more.
I said rock to the rhythm, you don't stop, cause ghetto funk has got to beat the show shot. I said rock to the rhythm, you don't stop, so who the squad that'll make the house drop? Ghetto funk with